Every StoneSet project, big or small, kicks off right here at our Australian manufacturing facility. This is where it all begins. We source top quality local stone, make smart choices for the planet, and set the bar high for everything that follows. For the Victoria Bridge project, we used a natural stone blend with our UV stable 2-part polyurethane resin. It's tough, flexible, and built to last. Plus, it's free from toxic chemicals, doesn't leach, so it's safe for people and the environment. We're always thinking about sustainability. StoneSet is mostly natural stone and also part made from a plant-based resin. We use recycled materials wherever we can. For example, at Victoria Bridge, we added recycled glass for extra grip and a boost in eco-friendliness. Even half of our packaging is recycled. Before anything leaves our doors, our warehouse legends do a thorough quality check, making sure that every single batch meets the highest standards. And once everything's good to go, we load up the trucks and hit the road. For this project, we carefully coordinated deliveries to keep the number down and make sure that every truckload was maximised for efficiency. Less trips, less impact. When the materials arrive at the bridge, our accredited install team gets straight to work, laying StoneSet right onto the footpaths. The best part, the surface is fully permeable, so water drains away fast, no puddles, less wear and tear, and it helps keep the bridge lighter and cooler for many years to come.
My name is James Harris. I'm Associate Landscape Architect with Arup. We're forming part of the collaborative partnership between BCC, Acciona and Arup, and we are resurfacing Victoria Bridge with StoneSet. When looking to select a product for resurfacing the bridge, the project team and I look to ensure a sustainable product that supported circular economy, lightweight and flexible material, something that dealt with the durability of such an iconic bridge within Brisbane.
Hi, I'm Curtis. I'm part of the Queensland StoneSet installation team, resurfacing Victoria Bridge in Brisbane. So I'm part of a 5-person crew who mix the StoneSet on site, and everything is hand laid. On this project, we laid the StoneSet to 18mm depth and included quartz glass to each mix for the slip resistance.
The project team, we're looking for a product that not only supports the sustainable credentials, circular economy, it supports durability, life cycle, and ensures it can stand up to the daily traffic of an active transport bridge. StoneSet's slip resistancy rating of P5 was critical in why we selected the product. The active transport bridge, now without general traffic, has users such as pedestrians, cyclists and e-mobility devices, and ensuring that there's rating support for those users was really influential. What makes this project important for us and the project team is the connection with the north and south of the river. The bridge itself facilitates a connection between the Queen Street Mall and the north of the river, Redcliffe Place, North Quay, over the river to South Bank, the Cultural Centre and subtropical streets of Grey Street and Melbourne Street.